সহজেই ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন।
When will you meet? When will you meet? When will you meet? She looks like you. She looks like you. She looks like you. He has fulfilled his desires. He has fulfilled his desires. He has fulfilled his desires. Which shirt is the best? Which shirt is the best? Which shirt is the best? He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. He has sent you a gift. Whose mobile number is this? Whose mobile number is this? Whose mobile number is this? Raja has just arrived. Raja has just arrived. Raja has just arrived. Don't ask anybody for anything. Don't ask anybody for anything. Don't ask anybody for anything. Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? Why didn't you wake me up? You always scolded me. You always scolded me. You always scolded me. How long will it take? How long will it take? How long will it take? I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. He met with an accident yesterday. He met with an accident yesterday. He met with an accident yesterday. His nose is running. His nose is running. His nose is running. What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? We have played cricket. We have played cricket. We have played cricket. How is your father now? How is your father now? How is your father now? Maury sang a sweet song. Maury sang a sweet song. Maury sang a sweet song. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. I slept late last night. I slept late last night. I slept late last night.